Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Canal. I'm Adil, and we're here at That's right, folks. We're here in New Orleans for the next couple of days. So we're going to give you guys a little tour and an insight of all the things we're going to be checking out, the attractions that we found useful to us, especially with kids. So we'll be taking a tour of New Orleans. So let's check it out. First things first, we're checking into our hotel. We stayed at the Royal Sonesta New Orleans, located right on Bourbon Street. Now, it's a beautiful hotel, but depending on the weekend you get here, this spot might be questionable, especially with kids. Now, if you want to know more about the hotel we stayed at, check out our other videos. We did create a video showcasing the hotel in great detail. Since we're already on Bourbon Street, this is where we'll start. This monumental street is in the heart of the French Quarter, extending 13 blocks. There's a lot going on here with various dining and drink options, music, and so much more.
Someone says a girl's a favorite, like this. Oh, but it ain't doing jack. It's all that awful love.
If you continue on Bourbon Street, you'll eventually intersect Canal Street. Here you'll find additional shopping and dining options with a slightly different feel. You can also hop on a Canal streetcar for a whole different experience. Running perpendicular to Canal Street and parallel to the Mississippi River, you'll find Decatur Street. It's basically a waterfront strip at the French Quarter. Here we stop for some beignets. A trip to New Orleans is never complete unless you try one. It's famous for being a donut without the hole, and it's a must-have when visiting. Right outside, you'll find the New Orleans Riverboat, where they offer lunch and dinner cruises. We did make a detailed video on our dinner cruise, so be sure to check out our other videos. Overall, it was an amazing experience and a different approach to the city. Next up is Jackson Square, an open-air artist colony. This area gathers various painters, musicians, and entertainers.
Now you can examine this rope. Catch it.
Half mile down, you'll also want to check out the French Market, a great place to walk around and just shop. Well, there you folks have it, New Orleans. Now, if you guys have any questions about this place, ask these kids down below. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys.